Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best lunchbox for high school boys, the OPUX lunchbox. This insulated, large lunch bag is designed for both men and women, but its size, durability, and smart compartments make it especially perfect for high school boys who need to carry multiple meals and snacks throughout the day. The OPUX lunchbox stands out with its unique double-decker design. Measuring 10 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 10 inches high, it offers two separate insulated compartments. This means you can pack hot and cold foods separately without worrying about them mixing or losing their temperature. The bottom compartment is spacious enough to hold a full lunch or multiple meals, including up to 10 cans, while the upper deck is perfect for snacks, beverages, or even ice packs to keep everything fresh. One of the best features of this lunchbox is its thermal insulation. It uses eco-friendly PIVA padded foam insulation to keep your food hot or cold for more than 5 hours. This makes it ideal for school days when refrigeration might not be available. The insulation also provides cushioning, so your containers stay protected during your commute or school activities. Durability is another key strength of the OPUX lunchbox. Made from 600D polyester, this lunch bag is tough and rip-resistant, perfect for daily use by active teenagers. It also features reinforced zippers that help the bag hold up through frequent openings and closings. The interior lining is 100% waterproof and leak-proof, so any spills are contained and won't ruin your backpack or books. Plus, the lining is easy to clean. Just wipe it with a damp cloth, and it's good as new. The lunchbox is not only functional but also convenient to carry. It comes with both a shoulder strap and a sturdy top handle, giving options for comfortable transport whether you're walking to class or heading to practice. It also includes two front pockets and two mesh side pockets, great for carrying water bottles, utensils, or small snacks you want to grab quickly. Beyond functionality, the OPUX lunchbox comes in a variety of colors and patterns, including a cool heather green option that looks fresh and sporty. The compact yet roomy design makes it ideal for school, travel, picnics, or even outdoor activities like camping and beach trips. In summary, this lunchbox is more than just a container. It's a reliable, well-built meal carrier designed to keep food fresh, organized, and easy to transport for high school boys with busy, active days. Whether you're packing a hearty lunch, snacks, or drinks, the dual compartments, strong insulation, and durable build make the OPUX lunchbox a top choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a lunchbox that's spacious, insulated, leak-proof, and designed to last, the OPUX lunchbox is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.